One friend asked another friend, "What gift did your husband give you to celebrate your child's birth?" The friend replied that he did not give her anything. The first friend was surprised and asked, "Does he not value you at all?" After sowing the seed of such poisonous thoughts, the first friend left, leaving her friend worried and doubtful. After some time, the husband came home and saw his wife's sullen face. After asking about it, they both started fighting, which led to them cursing at each other. This led to a physical fight and eventually a divorce. A man spoke to another man who lived away from his son. He asked him, "Your son comes to meet you very little. Does he not have any love for you?" The man replied that his son is a busy man and has a tight work schedule. He also has a wife and children, so he has very little time. The first man said, "What do you mean? You brought him up and nurtured him, and now you rationalize with yourself that because of his other responsibilities, he doesn't have any time to meet you? I tell you, this is only an excuse not to meet you." After this conversation, a complaint against the son started growing in the father's heart. Whenever the son would come to meet after that, the father would only keep thinking that my son has time for everyone except me. Do you know the root of these problems? It was one unnecessary dialogue between people. If we go to the root of the chaos and fights that are happening around us, most often it will be because of someone else. They don't realize that whatever they said intentionally or unintentionally can destroy someone's life. Without any doubt, there are some people through whose tongue the shaitan speaks. We say many things without thinking of their consequences. We don't think about which seed we are about to plant in someone's heart, the seed of love or hate. Do not become a troublemaker and a spreader of doubt and evil. Remember that the words that leave your mouth have a deep and massive effect on others.